Okay, folks, boy, do I have a treat for you. Now, I normally don't do videos like this because it's just kind of a pain in the ass to kind of get set up for it. And I try to make these videos, you know, fast to the point, even though you folks probably disagree with that. But I want to give you guys kind of like a haul video. And so this is not every Nubeo watch I have, but this is what I have in one of my watch boxes. I dug this out of the safe. And so this will give you an idea of some of the cool options you can get from Nubeo. This doesn't have the Magellans. This does not have all the Nubeos I have here. But let me just show you guys what we're dealing with today. We got a whole bunch. What do we got here? 24 different variations of Nubeo watches. And I'm just going to, we're not going to do any wrist shots here. We're just going to give you guys kind of a, I don't know, kind of a quick crash course on what you can get. And I may misspeak here, but let's take a look at what we got here. So Nubeo makes some amazing models. And if you didn't, let me just show you guys again. If you didn't, one thing I want you to take from this video when you look at these, just kind of take it in for a second. When you look at these 24 different Nubeo watches, is you'll notice all the different colors. And that's, to me, that's what watch collecting, I don't want to say is all about, but I really enjoy variety. And I really like being able to wear something totally different and unique. Now, again, for me, it's a little bit different. You know, I do this as a side gig. I'm very fortunate to be able to get these amazing watches and share them with you guys. If you guys find value in what I do, use the affiliate link. It's a win-win. But a lot of times, a lot of these cool models kind of get lost in the slew of videos I put up. Unfortunately, even though the channel is almost at 24,400, 500 subscribers, there's still a lot of people who don't watch the content, right? I'll put up a video, and I kind of was thinking about this the other day. You know, I see some of the other guys that I watch, like Cubano, Red Lessons, they are just pumping out content after content, and maybe that works for them, but I just feel like for me, I don't watch every video they put up because I'm just kind of like I'm bombarded with content, right? So I think there's a balance between, you know, how much content a YouTuber puts out, and I don't know. I don't know. But anyway, I want to at least kind of do kind of an all-inclusive, just a little show and tell here. So I'm just going to, right off the top, just kind of go in order from top to bottom. This is one of Nubeo's moon watches. And this is, I don't know which model, which color. I'd have to look it up. I'm not going to slow us down by doing that. I'm just going to give you guys kind of a quick crash course and show you. Obviously, black and brown. The idea in this, it's themed after the moon. All the specifications on these are great. When it's got a bracelet, it's the case and bracelet, 316 stainless steel. When it's on like a strap, it's usually like a silicone or rubber. And then 316 stainless steel. So movements are all going to be different. Most of these are automatic. Some are quartz. But if there's any questions you guys have after the video, click the link in the description, see what's available, use my coupon code, or drop me a comment. I get back to every comment. Any questions people ask, I get back to you the same day. So I'm always here to help you guys out. Awesome. So this one's moon themed. There is, I'm not going to show you the back, but there is a little exhibition window, a little tiny one in the back here that has a little, I think it has a little piece of, now I gotta look. Yeah, so really tiny piece of, I think that's from the moon, like a piece of moon rock or something like that. So I showed you real quick. That's why I encourage you to just click the link, take a look from their website. So that's the black version. I also have this version in the, I call this like the vampire red and black. This is kind of like a blood red, kind of like a deoxygenated blood red. It's starting to lose its, right, you know, it has that kind of maroon look. Love this color in watches. I love it stainless. Awesome looking piece. Then we have it in the, we're going to call it, this is like a rose gold. So again, all kind of coppered out. It looks more like a penny than it does like rose gold. That's kind of how I associate, I guess, kind of think of the color of this watch. Very cool. Very cool. This one here, I don't know which one this one here. This is, I think this is Martian on it. I don't know. Remember, folks, if you guys see one you like and you can't find it on the site, drop me a comment. I'll let you know. Done in that red and black. Very cool. Same watch. I forgot I had this. I found this in my safe today. I forgot this was even in here. This was actually not in the box. I actually pulled it out of a different safe. Very cool. Kind of, you know, all these are space themed for the most part. Now the Ventana, this one I've reviewed many times. I have this in the black. I have this in the baby blue or sky blue. We have it in a red, and this one here is kind of like the tan. Kind of cool, kind of like tactical tan. Has like a gunmetal case. This one's a nice, unique color combination. You don't see a lot of watches in this color, you know. So I like it. I like when they do stuff that's a little bit different. Then, of course, we have this one is my favorite one. This one's got that maroon. Love this one. I always associate this with like, just like, I don't know, it's very vampire-ish. I know it's not really the best way of describing it, but it just has that kind of like darkness to it, right? Then we have, what do we got here? This one here, I don't even know what this is. This got a carbon bezel and a Damascus face. Pretty cool. And I'm sorry, folks, I don't know the names. I'm not going to like slow down the video here. This is kind of a quick crash course showing you guys these watches. I should have did this live, but now this is one of my favorite. This one kind of reminds me of, I just did a video on the RGMT Ohio where it's got like a smaller 45 millimeter case, but a tall wrist presence, and this kind of has that. It's not as thick as the Ohio, but it's very similar. You can see it has a nice tall wrist presence. Let me throw this one on. This one's totally awesome. Dude, this one's sick. Look at that. Pretty badass. Man, I might wear this one today, actually. Then, of course, we have it in the blue. This is kind of like Invicta Blue label, like blue with a nice mother of pearl. Man, I'm really fortunate. You know, I have all these watches that I forget that I have them a lot of times, and I don't know, man. I just feel pretty fortunate that I get to work with these companies, and I get to have all these watches in my collection to wear whenever I want, and do videos on them and come back to them. Now, another favorite here, yellow mother of pearl. Pretty badass. I mean, they're all badass. Now, this one here, this is the, I think this is the swell, I think. So this one, another, man, it's got that Doxa kind of barrel-shaped case. This is a big one here. Very cool. I think this is a swell. And I know some of you guys would be pissed off this video and be like, oh, you didn't show the watch. I'm sorry. I'm just trying to go through these as fast as possible. All right, so then this is very similar. Nubeo has done this a few times where they've taken the same watch, made a few changes, and gave it a different name. This is called the Spherinade. I think I'm saying that right. And that's after like a shark or something like that. So same watch, but they just made a few subtle changes. Very similar. Let me show you, folks, side by side. I mean, pretty much the exact same watch, just looks like this one has sort of like a bezel. I'm gonna call it like a bezel lift. Like there's a little insert there to bring the thickness up a little bit. Yeah, both very similar watches. Yeah, another one I don't even realize I had. And then here, these are actually really fun. So same watch. This is done in a quartz, but this has got all like a bright orangey lume around the whole thing. This sucker you put this under a black light or even give it a charge and look at it, it just glows. So very cool. And then of course, you got it in the lime green. This was another awesome watch. Again, just super unique. You know, these watches, you just don't see a lot of brands doing stuff like this. Better pull the crown on this before I lose my battery power. And this is kind of why I mentioned, like, I don't really, like, quartz watches are great, but I prefer them automatic because I don't really wear them very much. So, you know, the quartz watches, eventually the battery dies. At least the automatics you can always wear. And you can wear, again, you can wear a quartz watch. It's, you know, dead. But at least with the automatics, because I don't wear these that much, I could always pick them up and just throw them on the wrist. Same thing, black and purple. And then I'm just going to jump over here and do this. So here is, this one here, just as soon as I saw him release it, I was like, I got to get my hands to that. This is done on a purple silicone or rubber strap, but I just love the purple, gold, and stainless on this. It just has such a cool look. I mean, they're all pretty fun, right? All right, so now we got this one here. Again, I don't know the name. This one just very... And folks, I'll say it again. You know, anything you see here that you like and you just you need to know more, let me know. I'll give you as much information as possible. All these have been reviewed already with full reviews, and I'm going to come back. You know, I got years worth of work here. I'm going to come back and do close-up reviews of these too, because a lot of folks just like to see the watch and not me. So I want to make sure that, you know, these are great watches. So if you're in the market for something and you don't like my style of reviewing, you want to see just a watch, I want to provide that for you because these watches, they deserve that. Another cool piece. It's got the carbon case. almost like a laminate. It's just pretty sweet, man. I mean, they're all just fun. You can just see I get kind of excited like a child looking at all these because they're all, I mean, I don't know. I guess I kind of like, my job is pretty independent and I'm alone most of the time. And I have had jobs where I was not, like I was around coworkers and people all the time. And it was pretty cool to be able to wear these on a daily basis. And you're always rocking something new and your coworkers see it and they ask you about it. And, people see it, you interact with thousands of people. And yeah, I guess that's, I like being alone. I like being independent, not being bothered for the most part. But it is fun for like watch collecting to be able to share these with people. But that's just, and I used to, just a little bit about me. I used to, I liked my beer for many, many years in my life. And, I don't drink alcohol anymore at all. Quit like 5 years ago. And so I used to spend a lot of time like in my local pubs, and it was kind of fun. You get to know like the bartender and always rocking a new watch, and you're just always showing it off. And I don't know, it's kind of a social thing, but now it's not so much. But it doesn't, you still, if you buy, like all these are still fun. Like I still get enjoyment wearing them. It's just a lot of times, if I'm just gonna be sitting around the house, I generally wear something smaller, And then last but not least, another blood red version with that red abalone. Very cool piece. They're all fun. They're all unique. They're all cool. And they're all great quality watches. And if you're looking to add a cool watch to your collection and you see one that I've shared with you guys today, let me know. If you can't find the video, I have reviewed all these individually. There might be a couple I haven't come to yet. I haven't reviewed, but let me know if I can help in any way. As always, try to use the coupon code, use the link. Try to save yourself some money. And you guys have a fantastic day and take care.